Purines are a type of nitrogenous bases that consist of ring S, A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 2. What is the width of the DNA double helix? A1 nm, B2 nm, C3 nm, D4 nm. The correct answer is 2 nm. The DNA structure was investigated in the year A. 1943, B. 1953, C. 1963, D. 1973. The correct answer is 1953. The supercoiled state of DNA was first discovered in the year A. 1943, B. 1953, C. 1963, D. 1973. The correct answer is 1963. Which of the following was discovered by Chargaff's experiment in 1950? A. Base composition, B. Base stacking, C. Gene morphology, D. Chromosome morphology. The correct answer is base composition. Nucleotide basic unit of DNA consists of the sugar A. Deoxyribose, B. oxyribose, C. mannose, D. fructose. The correct answer is deoxyribose. Which of the following is used to visualize DNA molecules in a gel? A. ethidium bromide, B. methylene blue, C. safranin, D. bromophenol blue. The correct answer is ethidium bromide. Proteins can interact with a DNA molecule by A. fitting into the grooves, B. interacting with the base pairs, C. hydrophilic interactions, D. covalent linkages. The correct answer is fitting into the grooves. Supercoiled DNA is more compact than its relaxed counterpart and therefore A. has lower pH value, B. sediments faster, C. sediments slower, D. denatures quickly. The correct answer is sediments faster. Which kinds of forces stabilize the DNA structure? A. hydrophilic covalent, B. hydrophobic covalent, C. hydrophobic van der Waals, D. hydrophilic van der Waals. The correct answer is hydrophobic van der Waals. Who suggested that DNA composed of 3 nucleotide strands? A. Linus Pauling, B. Rosalind Franklin, C. Maurice Wilkins, D. James Watson. The correct answer is Linus Pauling. Guanine and adenine are A. purines, B. pyrimidines, C. nucleosides, D. gangliosides. The correct answer is purines. The helical nature of DNA was revealed by the work of A. Rosalind Franklin, B. Francis Crick, C. Louis Pasteur, D. Frederick Sanger. The correct answer is Rosalind Franklin. A nucleotide has a non-polarized structure. A. true, B. false, C. D. The correct answer is false. The phosphate molecules present on the DNA strand give it a large positive charge. A. true, B. false, C. D. The correct answer is false.